Students, now we'll learn a new topic and a very important topic. In the exam, the graphical method is one of the question always for the final exam for 4 marks. So see here, graphical method of solution of a linear equation. So here solve graphically. So one equation I will write, that is a simple one I am going to teach you, that is x plus y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 1. Simple equation I have taken. So let it take that one as 1 and 2 equation. So the first one, x plus y is equal to 7, I will write. Now you have to make here the columns first, that is to write the values for x and y. I teach you by writing only 2 values here. They are, you put just x and y here. Now take first x as 0. Then in the second column take y as 0. So please note here, first we have to take x as 0, next y as 0. Now I will write this equation, x plus y equal to 7. So x, in the first case I have taken x as 0. Here write 0, y equal to 7. 0 plus y is y is equal to 7. So we are getting the value of y as 7 here. Okay. Next again write x plus y is equal to 7. Now which value we have to give? For y we have to give 0. So x plus y value, put it 0 is equal to 7. Now x is 7, we are getting x value 7. So this is the first straight line we are getting. Now I'll take the second one. What is second one? X minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. So here also we'll make the columns to write the values for x and y. So only 2 values I am giving here also. First write x and y. Put x is 0 and y is 0. So we'll write x minus y equal to 1 is given, right? Now put x is equal to 0 here, minus y as it is you write here. So what will happen? Minus y is equal to 1. So what will happen here? Take this minus that side. It will become plus y. Take this one here, it will become minus y, minus 1. Okay, so y value is minus 1. Next again x minus y is equal to 1. So here the value of y we have taken as 0. So x minus 0 equal to 1. What about x? X is becoming 1 only. So we got the values here. So we can write now the answers, correct? Next we have to mark the x dash y dash axis here. So careful, you have to draw the line y axis and x axis in the middle of the page. Okay. So here I marked already. You put it here 0 on the x axis. So here this comes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So until you are getting any number, you have to mark that on that line. Okay. So here 8, 9. How many numbers you are getting? Till here you mark. This is called as x now. So again you have to come back for the next line, that is x dash line. Here minus 1 -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. Here you write x bar. Like that, you have to go down, that is or up for the y-axis now. So in the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until you are getting the last point. You mark 11, 12 like that, and up you have to write y. So y you have to mark in the upper side, and like that down when you come it will become minus. So that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 like that you continue, and down you have to write y dash. So here you know that the points are there, that is the first point you have to mark now 0, 7 in x0 y7. We'll mark that now in the graph sheet 0, 7. So here is 0 and here comes 7 in the y-axis, correct? So mark here and write here 0, 7. Then the next point is 7, 0. We'll mark now. In the x-axis 7 comes here and y0 means this line only. So 7, 0 comes on x-axis. We'll mark like this and write 7, 0. Now join this line by using the scale. We'll get the first one straight line. Okay. Next we will go to the second equation. Next is second equation 0, -1. We'll mark 0, -1. 0 on x-axis, -1 on y-axis. We'll mark here. That is 0, -1. And the last point you can see, that is 1, 0. We'll mark. See here 1, 0 will come here only. Okay, now join these two points. These 2 points exactly you have to join, correctly you have to join. Okay, now we are getting here, students, one point, right? Can you see these 2 intersecting lines are there, right? 2 intersecting lines, they intersect at this point. Okay, so I'll call that point as P, and here what is the name of that one? So you can mark like this to see the on x-axis. See, like this you mark. Okay, so it will come 4, right? Right here 4. Then on y-axis which touches here, correct? See here, which is this point? This is point 3. So what is the solution for this equation given to equation P of 4, 3? This is the solution for the equation. So we can write this one as P of x, y equal to 4, 3. This is x value, this is y value. So students, for these type of problems we have 4 marks. So you learn it correctly and carefully, don't neglect it.